Hola, bienvenidos a todos. Welcome to the Spanish word of the day with Mr. Briggs. Today's word is the word offended in Spanish. How do we use this word? As you may be aware, I upload daily. And if this is your first time visiting my channel, please click that red button and subscribe. It's free. I'm also uploading new printables to my VIP membership in case you want to gain access to it. Okay, so the word offended in Spanish is ofendido. Ofendido, like this girl, ofendida. She looks very ofendida, not happy, huh? Ofendido, if you are a male, and ofendida, if you are a female. As you can see, the word is very similar to the word offended in English. It's a cognate. Okay, so, yo estoy ofendido. I'm offended. This guy is telling this guy, yo estoy, I am, ofendido, offended. Yo estoy ofendido. Please make sure that you repeat after me. In that way, you'll practice the pronunciation. Now, if you happen to be a woman, a girl, you would say then, yo estoy ofendida, which means I'm offended, female. Yo estoy muy ofendida. I'm very offended. Ooh, I think this girl is offended, but she's also muy enojada, very angry. All right, so let's see another ejemplo. Él está ofendido. He is offended. Él está ofendido because she didn't get him an ice cream. Él está ofendido. He wanted a chocolate ice cream. All right, what about this one? She is offended. Ella está ofendida. Ella está ofendida. Ella está muy ofendida. She's very offended. Muy bien, let's see a few examples using the past tense. How do we use the word offended in the past tense? Let's construct a few sentences, a few phrases for us to get the hang of it. Okay. He was offended. Él estaba ofendido. Él estaba muy ofendido. He was very offended. Don't forget that if you add the word muy, you're actually saying very. So if you say él estaba ofendido, that means he was offended. But if you say él estaba muy ofendido, then you're saying he was very offended. She was offended. Ella estaba ofendida. So how would you say she was very offended? Ella estaba muy ofendida. Big applause for you if you got it right. Well done. Ella estaba muy ofendida means she was very offended. Ofendido, male. Ofendida, female. O-F-E-N-D-I-D-O, or ends with an A if you're referring to a female. Before finishing today, I wanted to send our warmest greetings and all the love to our dear friend. He's one of our top subscribers, David Latton. He's actually in hospital at the moment. We send you all the love and energy, and we pray that you get well soon, my amigo. Please take care, be strong, and we can't wait to see you back on your feet. And for all my dear amigos, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and I hope to see you tomorrow. I may be doing a face reveal sooner than what you think, so maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after, but I'm starting to think that maybe it'd be a good idea to start appearing on video. Tell me what you think about it, leave your comments, and I'll see you soon. Please take care. Hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.